Over the last decade and a half that I've spent partnering nearly 100 brands, there are common marketing mistakes that landed up creating snags in achieving key success metrics for brands time and time again. Over the next couple of videos, we're going to be tackling 6 key marketing mistakes brands tend to make and how they impact growth. So whether you're a seasoned marketer or a business owner looking to enhance your marketing strategies, this video just might help you fix a loophole and elevate your brand. Hey everyone, I'm Nupur and welcome to the Studio N channel, where we cover everything around branding, strategy, marketing, and creative communication in easy to get videos. If you're a business who wants to perfect any of these aspects to grow your brand, or a marketer looking to scale your knowledge, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Part 1. Neglecting a digital presence. In today's marketing landscape, digital is the primary touchpoint for consumers. This should automatically make it the top marketing medium for businesses as well. An outdated, underperforming website or inactive and inconsistent social media accounts give your potential customers the message that you're an inactive business. Here are a few essential aspects of creating a solid digital foundation. 1. Invest in a user-friendly and mobile responsive website. 2. Craft a platform strategy that's dictated by your audience and market research to select the social media platforms that work for you versus being present on all of them. This also makes it easier to stay active on social media. 3. Craft a social media content strategy that's planned 2 to 4 weeks in advance with unique content for each platform. 4. Maintain consistency in posting, be it every day or twice a week, using your content strategy, content distribution plan, and online scheduling tools. A recent study by Sprout Social showed that 70% of users utilize Instagram to discover new products, with 90% of users following a business on the platform and 62.3% using Instagram as their primary tool to research on brands and products. Your online presence is often your first impression, so make it count. Part 2. Focusing on features over benefits. Consumers are not interested in technical features. They're interested in what a feature can do for them. 1. It's important to let consumers know exactly what they can do with or get from your product. This old Apple ad is a great example. Instead of telling the consumer how many MB or GB of space the iPod comes with, it communicates just how many songs the consumer can carry with them wherever they go. 2. It can be tempting to communicate every benefit a feature provides, but it's important to articulate the key feature USP and focus on it in different forms of communication. 3. Tackle a key consumer pain point that your product feature addresses. Using the benefits over features formula in your marketing communication ensures 1. You craft targeted communication, you stand out from competition, you're able to identify loopholes in your product or offering mix and rectify it before going to market, and lastly, it ensures you can get creative with your communication and marketing strategies. Part 3. Ignoring customer feedback and negative reviews. Ultimately, how effective your marketing endeavors are is directly proportionate to how well received your product or brand is. Your customers' opinions provide valuable feedback and insights into improvement areas for you to fix and enhance. Here are a few ways to streamline customer feedback implementation. 1. Create a scheduled feedback program that allows customers to share their suggestions and reviews. 2. When and if you utilize any of them to make changes to your brand, product, or business model, be sure to include it in your marketing communication. This lets your audience know that you're a business who's powered by the consumer, thereby increasing the chances of consideration. Lastly, respond to their concerns. Addressing issues and showing genuine concern for your customer satisfaction can turn dissatisfied customers into loyal brand advocates. This brings us to the end of part 1 of 6 common marketing mistakes brands tend to make. Subscribe and stay tuned as we tackle 3 more examples in next week's video. If you enjoyed watching this video and you're looking forward to more, do drop a like below to let me know. And if you'd like me to further detail and explain any of these points in a separate video, drop me a comment. Lastly, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get an update for the next value-packed Studio N upload. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.